Why does it smell like that? Alright. G'day. This Canadian and this Australian are going to try Australian foods. Have you even tried any of this stuff?
I have tried all of it, as you can see.
So we got shapes. He said barbecue's the one.
Yeah.
Tim Tams. I've had normal Tim Tams at home, but I never had the white ones, so. Vegemite. Apparently these are dope. Neapolitan thick shake. We call them milkshakes back home, but. Some lamingtons, some jammingtons. Some, what do you call these?
Well, this is for the fairy bread.
Okay.
We call them hundreds and thousands, or sprinkles.
Sprinkles, yeah, we call them sprinkles. And the main event, the kangaroo meat.
Skippy!
We're gonna make this first.
Salted butter, that's been up in it. It's not really Australian. Oh, Australian dairy, it says, so. Came from a
You need that for the
cow.
Vegemite and the toast and the
Yeah.
fairy bread. Okay, so we'll be back in a sec. We're gonna cook this kangaroo meat.
Right.
Alright, so fairy bread, Vegemite on toast, kangaroo. You gotta do it with me.
Great.
Okay, let's go to the grossest shit first.
Alright, Vegemite. Oh,
You think Vegemite's grosser than kangaroo meat?
I don't know. Either way, I'm going to get roasted for saying either. So they're all amazing.
If you know me, you know I hate trying new foods and I eat like a 12-year-old with a credit card, so this is already out there for me. Cheers.
You gotta hop it into your mouth. Oh my God. It's not a morning meat, I'll tell you that.
I got some morning meat for you. It's not the worst. It's gamey. This is supposed to be your shit, bro.
It's too early for this shit, cunt.
I saw your gag and it made me gag.
Let's wash it down with some Vegemite.
Down some plain bread first.
What am I, a fucking duck?
Clean the palate. What am I, a fucking duck?
Right.
If you can't tell, we saved all the good shit for last.
Alright, let's go Vegemite then.
Hold on, I got bread in my mouth.
Oh, fuck, you don't want to ruin that with more bread.
Why does it smell like that?
I don't think you put enough Vegemite on it. I'll redeem myself for the kangaroo gag. It's not bad, bro.
Bro. Kangaroo meat's better than that.
You can chuck some kangaroo meat on it and try it.
Fucking something. Napkin. Ooh. Oh, that was foul. People do that? On purpose?
I've had that in ages. It's not bad now.
Now that you're older?
Yeah. It's better than when I was a kid.
Yeah.
When you're a kid, yeah.
Vegemite.
It's an acquired taste.
Alright, let's try this though.
You can wash that down. I don't need that.
Fairy bread. You gotta try everything with
This
this.
is the staple of every kid's birthday in Australia.
Try it out.
What do you reckon?
It's alright.
But you're not 5, so it's not meant to be the best.
It's just sprinkled in bread and butter.
Before we try the next two, why don't you wash it down with some oat. Some of the best milk in Australia.
I grabbed Neapolitan because I love Neapolitan. Oh yeah. That's good.
I'm glad I missed out on the good shit. That's sweet.
You want some?
No, I'm good.
Tin Tams?
Tams.
We sell these in Canada. Just not, we don't have the flavors that we do at home.
0.5 health star rating. I had too
You have
many of
health-
these last night.
Do you have health star ratings?
Now on everything pretty much.
Where's it? Oh, right there.
That's 1.5. 2. Vegemite's probably like 5.
You don't even go on there.
Alright, yeah, Tim Tam, what do you reckon? Pretty good.
Well, that's good as hell.
I bought some last night and I was meant to have one, but
You ate the whole thing.
you know how Tim Tams go. Yeah,
I don't, but
that's what happens.
ooh, I'm a sucker for white chocolate too.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
yeah.
My eyes are still watering from the Vegemite.
Lamingtons.
Just smells like coconut.
Well, it is coconut on some chocolate. Oh man.
You're eating it with me, man.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
I've never been a huge Lamington fan.
I'm a big coconut fan.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That's more
It's good, but the coconut overpowers everything. I think if there was no coconut on top,
Yeah, but then you just
be
got
alright.
chocolate sponge or something.
it's just like cake with jam in the middle.
Not all Lamingtons have jam either.
No?
No.
Alright, the grand finale.
Shapes, one of the most iconic. But also, special mention to Chico roll, which we didn't end up getting.
Oh, what's that?
It's like a roll with Chico in it.
What the hell's Chico?
No, I don't know. Veggies and meat. If we pass one, it's fried. This is the spring roll kind of thing I was telling you about.
Okay.
If we pass one, we'll get it.
Also, I have to leave for the airport in like 20 minutes, so we rushed to get this done this morning. So if we didn't get everything, we're fuck off.
Shapes, some of the most iconic biscuits, chips in the country.
Are they like crispers? Oh, they're like crispers, kind of. Okay.
That's good.
Okay.
Landed on a good one.
I can fuck with that. My palate is fucking losing its mind right now. It's a kangaroo.
What's happening?
Vegemite, then sprinkle bread, then fucking Tim Tams and lamingtons, and now we went like savory, sweet, savory, sweet.
Yeah. Man, we didn't even have the fucking main fucking thing that we should have.
What?
The biggest Aussie food there is.
Wait, the mega rain case!
I ate that one time and it was the grossest thing I ever had.
You say, brother? What the fuck you say?
The meat grain noodles are not bad, but I hate onions. And this is like they have a whole packet of onion. Can you make it without the onion?
Sure.
Then I might like it.
Why don't you just have a bite of the noodle by itself? Just bite the noodle.
You want me to bite your noodles?
Bite my noodles, bro. So, Tam, we used to eat them like that in school. We put the flavouring in, crunch it up.
Yeah, we did that too.
Also, obviously not an Australian brand. It's, oh my god, Indonesian. And but also a staple of every Australian household.
Really? Or just yours?
Mainly mine, but other people eat it too. And yeah,
That was a random Canadian trying Australian food. Pretty good, I guess.
what's your favourite Australian word? So there would have been a beep over that, but you know what it was.